Breaking news coming in where there is a political war over the appointment of former Supreme Court Judge S Abdul Nazeer as the Governor of Andhra Pradesh. The breaking news that's coming in is that the Congress has trained its guns at the centre, questioning the appointment. Congress leader Rashid Alvi says, and I quote, "Giving judges government jobs is unfortunate. This weakens the public's belief in the judiciary. Ram Mandir judgment has its questions. First Gogoi and then Nazeer." Listen in to what Rashid Alvi had to say.
कि जजेस को गवर्नमेंट जॉब देना, गवर्नमेंट पोस्ट देना अनफॉर्चुनेट है। एक रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक 50% रिटायर्ड जजेस सुप्रीम कोर्ट के गवर्नमेंट कहीं ना कहीं उनको भेज देती है, जिससे लोगों का यकीन जुडिशरी पे कम होता चला जाता है। जस्टिस गगोई को अभी तो राज्यसभा दी थी, अब जस्टिस नजीर साहब को आपने गवर्नर बना दिया। राम जन्मभूमि बाबरी मस्जिद का सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले पर बहुत लोग सवालिया निशान लगाते चले आ रहे। जस्टिस गगोई के बनने के बाद जस्टिस नजीर को गवर्नर बनाना उन लोगों के शक और शुबे को और मजबूत करता।
And that's the political war that is raging over the appointment of former Supreme Court Judge Nazeer as the Governor of Andhra Pradesh. But many Supreme Court judges in the past have been elevated to the top post, but the Congress there taking a direct shot at the centre, saying that this is another tactic which will lead to the weakening of the public's faith in the judiciary. I'm joined by my colleague Pallavi Ghosh on the phone line. Pallavi, when it comes to this political tussle, this is Congress just trying to once again highlight the tensions which continue to escalate between the centre and the judiciary, saying that the politicization of the judiciary continues to be a campaign of the Modi government.
Let's see, so most of us who have covered the politics through various ages and various governments in power at the centre have actually seen at how the governor's office has often been misused also by the UPA times, by the Congress times. PC Alexander, considered very, very close to Indira Gandhi, was sent as a governor at one point of time to West Bengal because at that point of time the Congress party wanted to make a footing over there, and there was a lot of tip which was going on with the left government over there. So it's really surprising with the Congress party who wants to hold the high moral ground by saying that how there's a politicization of the Raj Bhavan and how the governor's posting is now being seen as a reward. What Rashid Alvi is talking about is something which many people spoke about Ranjan Gogoi when he was made a Rajya Sabha member. And then they said that, he was only done this as a reward for the Ram Mandir. And now we are hearing the same thing as far as the Governor of Andhra Pradesh is concerned. And that's a very, very important state, because that's also a state where the BJP is involved in a huge fight with its players in Jagan Mohan Reddy or with KCR in Telangana and so on and so forth. But yes, I would say I agree with you. But this is now going to become a new battle or turf between the Congress and the BJP, and opposition parties particularly against the BJP.
And Pallavi, at the same time, we know at least two former Supreme Court judges who were elevated to the post of governor in the past. Does that blunt the Congress's attack in any way? Because this has been a precedent which has been set by past appointments.
Absolutely. It doesn't. In fact, starts raising question marks over the Congress's allegations also. I mean, if you really wanted a depoliticization of the governor's house or the Raj Bhavan, then perhaps the Congress party could have also set an example. But we saw it happening. So I would say that, this is something in which most political parties are often guilty of. Of course, the government and the BJP said it's absolutely baseless to make these kind of allegations. People are chosen on the basis of merit, on caliber, and then so be it. Just because he happens to be someone who may have been involved in one of the verdicts doesn't mean that he's been given a reward. The verdict was also delivered on the basis of facts, so that means you're now raising question marks over the judiciary as well.
Right. I'm also joined by